Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngatikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut. Laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ka Sorkar jala ka Thong ban Shna Pyndep ya ka Surok Shillong-Dawki hapo Snem araja arpnyo, bat ka labatharu ban budien bat ban jure boro shisngi. Ya kichaka badan jingma ya kalai kawan kanang banyada na jingdo e ki ben simbriu na jingtoa khando ba ki jingtoa ki mau khamtam ha kathan punsla haba kren sikilat pathai khubor halo ka jinglong jingman jongani ka project usumbun menteri rangba ajla uba khmi ka tanat PWD roads uba plus tun song ula kuntu ya ki pajba ba ki lok ki bayasha karba ka company ka dang Shna ya ni ka Surok ka ban pensuk hi ya ki pajba ha kalai kawan.
This four laning. Now the survey has started. And then the joint survey, especially with the 101, with the army officials, it is still on. So once this is completed, then they will again prepare the DPR accordingly. In fact, initially from the state government side, we also preferred elevated route. Right from that junction of Rilbong till Barik Point. But again, after discussion with the defense authority, the defense authority advised us to go for four lane due to safety issue. Better go for four laning instead of going for elevated road. Better go for the four laning. That's why ultimately we reached a conclusion by saying that okay, let us go for the joint inspection from the state PUD, then from the district administration, and also from the NHIDSL along with the defense authorities. Right now, see the targeted date to complete this project is till next year, till 2027. So I'm very sure next year the company will be able to complete the construction, the widening of these two-lane roads. And as I said to you, see the only issue here is maximum. I think this incidents happens during monsoon, during rainy season. It happens. Why it happens? I think there are so many reasons behind it. Because see, the blasting that has happened, sometimes the vibration is huge. So ultimately those soil, the surface soil, tend to flow by itself, tend to go down by itself, which is beyond the technical expert saying that it is going to happen today or tomorrow or the after tomorrow. It's so difficult to say that even if the expert is monitoring every 24/7, but I'm telling you, it's very difficult to say that, well, it is going to happen tomorrow or the afternoon, because as I said to you, the vibration is vast, vibration is large. So therefore, what we only request again the public to kindly be cautious. The investigation till they complete the detailed project report. So in these areas, let me tell you one thing: there are portions which is totally unavoidable, because the moment the extraction digging started, so you understand, and you have seen it, I think most of you, the condition of this road from Shillong to Dawki, which is very, very narrow. and even the space is very limited. If you talk about the right side, you will see the scope of widening is very limited. If you talk about the left side also, it is more or less deep gorges happens in those areas. So taking into consideration all these issues, the NHIDCL and then even the state building, I instructed up to the district administration to also carry out some safety measures all along this construction till you reach Dawki. So they do that and they keep doing it. But I think you know well, the monsoon started. And in these areas, there are few areas which is very sensitive, leading to closure of traffic movement in those areas. I think now it's more or less 1 week we have closed down for the safety of our people. We didn't allow them to travel through this road. Then today morning we open up again, because that portion, Mauli portion, again in fact the extraction, digging of that hillock is more or less completed. So again, after 2-3 hours from the opening up of the traffic movement, again just after crossing Lailangon, there were again landslide. I think right now they have just clearing it. They have just done it. So see, the moment you clear it here, sometimes it happens maybe after a stretch of 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. So this will keep happening. Let me tell you. But of course, district administration has already reminded our public or people, the residents of those areas, to be very careful while traveling through this road, because the construction work is still on and the blasting also is still on. So especially during monsoon season, they need to be very cautious of themselves for their safety. And I would also like to request all of them, the residents of the Penunsula area up to Dawki, to kindly avoid the unnecessary traveling from the Dawki to Shillong or from Shillong to Dawki during this rainy season, except there are cases which is unavoidable, they can go, but that also I think it is better if they travel during daytime only. So from the government side, let me again assure the public, we would like to complete this project at the earliest possible. And we would also like to request all the residents which is directly affected, please bear with us. I keep saying this, please bear with us. Bear with us. We really wanted to make sure that this project is completed at the earliest possible. And if we suffer maybe for 1 year or 1.5 years from now, you remember one thing, once this project is completed, it is a matter of 40 minutes, 45 minutes, you reaching Penunsula. And within 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes, you will reach Tamabil, or you will reach Dawki. So by that time, I'm very sure the people of those areas will be maximum benefited with the completion of this project. Landslide will be there, and I have directed this NHS again to make sure that those experts, the consultancy group, do the monitoring, get the survey every now and then, see where are the portion which is not safe, then action has to be taken. So for that, I have already instructed the NHIL and also from the state BD to assist when there is any kind of situation which arises during the monsoon period. I right now see, because providing the relief or the ex gratia, there are certain rules and procedures. So I'm deeply concerned about all this, but at the same time we have to also see, we have to follow as per rules, as per the regulation of the ex gratia payment, which is to be considered by the government.
The competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kidai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisak sadani ki email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms tamba naka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand naka daw ka floor jong ki tourist ila sedang bod hading in sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khatsan do habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kum kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak puli ingin jaka bangin tap shabar ngi layo ban tap aka state la jong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers ki like hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha kom kini ki instay ki tang kata ngala ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang shu receive kawai ka award ma katin ka gold award jang to sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni kawai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka trahi ban promote lo ya baro